Good evening, students. We'll wait 2-3 minutes for others to join and then start. So, hello, students. Welcome back. Good evening, all. I think we are now into the last part of Circle, where we are going to do some interesting, you can say, properties related to Circle. Very interesting. So, please be with me. We'll be starting with the first topic, which is the parametric form. Okay, before we start, just tell me if my mic and all is clear. Give me a thumbs up if it's clear, guys. Deepak, Sushma, and Samsung laptop. Okay, yeah. Chalo. Give me a thumbs up if it's clear. My voice, video, the screen share. Right, guys? Okay, super. Chalo. Uh, the thing we are going to do is parametric form of equation of circle. Now, you might have heard about parametric form of equation of line, or not heard. We have studied it. I hope you are present in the lecture. So the parametric form of line and parametric form of circle, you will see that they are very or exactly similar, just the parameters are different. So let's say I have this circle with center at Q, H comma K. There is a point P on the circle, X comma Y. So the point P is on the circle. That means we need the parametric coordinates of point P. So this here is a very simple thing. If this is point Q, I think this will be H, and if this is point P, then I think this distance will be X. So you can see here, the mark distance, let me change the color. Yeah, this distance will be X minus H. Correct, guys? Similarly, we can do on the y-axis, right? So this point is H comma K. So this distance will be K, and this point is X comma Y. So this distance will be Y. So this distance will be Y minus K. Now, so you can see the triangle PQM is a right angled triangle. So if the triangle is a right angled triangle, so what can we use? We can use trigonometry. So let us say what will be cos theta? Cos theta will be adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is x minus h upon hypotenuse is PQ, which is the radius r. Similarly, sine theta will be opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is y minus k upon r. So from here, we can easily write x is equals to h plus r cos theta, and y is equals to k plus r sine theta. Simple. This is the parametric equation of circle. See, please remember, here parametric equation means x and y are given in terms of some parameter. So here x and y are given in terms of the parameter theta. So this is the meaning of parametric equation. I hope you got it. Chalo. Uh, just a second. Let me check if you got it. Give me a thumbs up if it's clear, guys. Chalo. Please be active. If it's clear, give me a thumbs up so we can move forward. Okay, guys, let's go. Who all are there? Please, everyone. Anjana, Deepak, and Samsung Lab 2. Okay. Explain once again. Acha, you joined late, I think, right? Just a second. We'll go through it once again. These are the parametric equations. What is meant by parametric equations? Parametric equation means the x and y are given in terms of a parameter. And in this case, the parameter is theta. You can see this right angle triangle, PQM. We have the opposite side PM as y minus k and QM as x minus h. I hope you understood it. We have point Q as h comma k, point P as x comma y. Right, guys? So this distance will be h and this distance will be x. So with this, we used trigonometry here, which is cos theta and sine theta. So by using definition of cos theta and sine theta, what do we got, guys? We got the values of x and y in terms of theta. That means values of x and y in terms of parameters. What is meant by parameters? It's another form of variable in which x and y are expressed, right? So as you can see, we got the value of x and y. What is x and y, guys? X and y is any point on the circle. Got it now, Anjana? Okay, super. Chalo, so let's see some notes. See, if the circle is x square plus y square equals to r square. Remember, what was h and k? H and k was center. So here, h comma k will be the center, which is the origin. That means value of h is 0, value of k is 0. So if we put h and k equals to 0, then we get x equal to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta. Now, this is the most important thing here, which is any point on the circle that is can be expressed as r cos theta comma r sin theta. Why? Because it is x comma y. What is x? R cos theta. What is y? R sin. I hope it is clear. Let's look at the question. Generally, guys, a parametric form of circle is not so much used in JE mains. The most important uh, thing is used is in straight line, which is parametric form of straight line. Circle may we don't use parametric form because we have many other formats. So let's see what the question comes as. So this is the question. Write the parametric equations of the circle. Chalo. So we first need to find center, which is h comma k. I hope you remember divide by 2, change the sign. Take the coefficient of x and y, divide by 2 and change the sign. So we got h and k. This is p, right? So what is radius? Radius is under root of g square, which is 9 plus f square minus c. So I think it is under root of 25 plus 96. 106, 116, 121, which is 11. So we got radius. What is the parametric form? Parametric form is x equals to h plus r cos theta and y is equals to k plus r sin theta. We have all the required values, guys. So x will be equals to minus 3 plus 11 cos theta, comma. Y will be equals to minus 4 plus 11 sin theta. This is my answer. Right, guys? Did you all get it? Give me a thumbs up if it's clear, everyone. Okay, thank you, Anjuna. Let's move on to the next. Yes, Samsung Lab 2. I know you are joining from the Tab Lab, right? It's fine. But just tell me your name. I think you told me your name, right? But I forgot. Okay, okay. No issues. Chalo. Let's see what we have next. The code of contact. Now, this is very, very important, guys. There are many questions asked on code of contact in JE, like direct questions. Very simple question. We'll get the solution in just 2 to 3 lines. But the most important thing is to find the given chord is a chord of contact. I hope you know what is chord of contact. Let's see. Chord of contact. Now, the chord of contact is basically, please listen to me first and see this diagram. After that, we'll read the definition. So here is a point P from which two tangents are drawn, namely PA and PB, right? So the tangents intersect the circle at A and B, or touches the circle at A and B. So if we draw a chord joining A and B, as you can see here, then this chord is called chord of contact, COC. So what is a chord of contact? Chord of contact is, now you can read the definition, the line joining the points of contact of tangents to the circle drawn from external point. So when two tangents are drawn from external point and uh, we join the point of intersection or point of tangency, then the line segment that we get is called chord of contact. Now, we can easily get the equation of chord of contact, which is S1 is equals to 0. I hope you know, or many of you must have say it is T equals to 0. What is meant by S1 or T? We'll prefer T, right? What is meant by T? But in many books, you can see S1 also given. What is T? In T, we replace the terms, right? So we replace x square by x into x1. We replace y square by y into y1. We replace 2x by x plus x1. I hope you remember. We replace 2y by y plus y1. Correct? Now what is x1, y1? It is the point P, coordinates of point P. So let's see the example. The questions are very simple, but the main thing is to click. Yeah. The question is based on the concept of chord of contact. Yeah. Battery is low. Let me attach the charger. Yes. We are good to. Let's see where were we? Yeah. Let's see the question. So here, find the equation of chord of contact of the point. So let's say this point is P, which is x1 comma y1. This is the equation of circle, which is S. So our equation will be equation of chord of contact is T equals to 0. We replace x square by x into x1, y square by y into y1, 2x by x plus x1 and 2y by y plus y1. So let's see what we get. If we do all this in the equation of circle, we'll get 2x plus 2y minus 5 into x plus 2 upon 2 plus 2 into y plus 5 minus 2 equals to 0. Now we can take LCM, so I'll get 4x plus 4y minus 5x minus 10 plus 4y plus 20 minus 2 equals to 0. If we group this 4x minus 5x, so it will be minus x plus 8y and then 10 minus 2 plus 8 equals to 0. This is the equation of chord of contact. So simple, guys, right? Chalo. Do you understood it? Give me a thumbs up if it's clear so we can move further. Okay. Super. Now, this is a question of previous year J. Not recent J, guys. It is like, I think it is 2001 or 2002 when the concept of director circle was introduced. But we already know the director circle. So basically, this is a derivation of the equation of director circle. As you can see by reading the question, that the chord of contact of point P here. See, this point P, two tangents are drawn, and through the point of contact, we see a line which cuts a chord AB. And this chord AB is called chord of contact. So obviously diagram will not be given. I am like I already made the diagram because circle and all barabar se draw hota nahi hai. So that's why I already made a diagram, but the diagram should be made by you, right? So as we know that PA is a tangent, so this angle will be 90. PB is a tangent, so this angle will also be 90. And it is given angle AOB is also 90 degree. That means this angle will also be 90 degree. And as you can see, every angle in the quadrilateral is 90 degree. That means it is a square. Why square? Because the adjacent sides are also equal. Why? Because this is radius, this is also radius. Correct, guys? So the adjacent sides are equal and every angle is 90 degrees. That means it's a square. So we have to prove that, show that P lies on on this circle. Now, this is a very weird way, or you can say very general way of asking the question based on locus. Now, what does this mean, guys? Show that P lies on the circle. That means locus of point P is x square plus y square is equals to 2a square. X square plus y square is equals to 2a square. Now, please note this point because in JEE mains as well as advanced, many times they do not ask directly, they frame it in a way as given here. That is, the question is based on locus, but they have framed it show that P lies on the circle this. That means locus of point P is basically this equation. So, what is the first step of locus? Let P be h comma k. They have already given x1, y1, but we'll ignore it because we have to find the locus. So, no, they have not given. Sorry. I have by mistakenly put x1, y1 in the diagram, but we'll put h comma k. Now, what is the condition, guys? Condition we got that quadrilateral APBO is a square. So that means the adjacent side of the square AP will be equals to AO, right? What is AP? AP is the length of tangent. I hope you remember. And AO is the radius. What is length of tangent? It is root S1 is equals to R. I hope you know what is root S1. So root S1 means we substitute the point in the equation of circle. Where is circle ka equation? Yeah. So we'll get h square plus k square minus a square. Sorry, radius given is a. Radius given is a. Yes. Is equals to, if we square on both the sides, we'll get a square. So that means h square plus k square is equals to 2a square. Now in the last step of locus, we replace h by x and k by y. X square plus y square is equals to 2a square. So this is the equation of locus, hence proved. The main aim of this question, of taking this question, was to show you this. At many a times, the question will be framed such that you will not be able to understand what is exactly asked, which is a general problem. Even myself, I am not able to like when I was in 12th standard, I was not able to grasp question. What is the question trying to say, especially in coordinate geometry? So this is one of the way to frame a question on locus. Right, guys? Did you all understood it? Give me a thumbs up so we can move further. Okay, Anjana. Thank you. Samsung Lab 2. Chalo. Let's see the questions now. I think we have covered many things in the circle. Almost everything is covered. I have planned accordingly and we have covered everything. Also, I think you know the deleted portion. So I think we might have not covered the deleted portion because it is no need. So yeah, let us see the questions now. Now these all questions are of previous year. So please pay attention. This will be a good session of solving questions. Okay, yeah. My name is Harshili. Okay. You are also from JNV Haveri. Which JNV are you from? Anjana is from Haveri, right? Nizamabad. Anjana is not from Haveri. You guys are from Hyderabad region, right? I am very. So you are also from Nizamabad. Okay, okay, fine. That comes in Hyderabad region, right? Am I correct? Hyderabad region or Shillong region? Which region does it come? Hyderabad, right? Yeah, yeah. Cool. Chalo. I hope I am pronouncing your name right. Harshili. Okay. Chalo. Uh, Pardon me if I pronounce it wrong. Let's see the questions. Yeah. Again, I have drawn the diagram. So, let's see. if the line intersects the circle, then the length of the chord. I hope you remember we have discussed the length of the chord. I've already drawn the diagram. Just a second. Let me expand and see clearly. Yeah. So I hope you know this, that the length of the chord. So let's say this is point A, this is point B, this is point M, right? This AB is the length of the chord, right? AB is the length of the chord. So we wish to find AB. Now I hope you know how to find AB by using the perpendicular distance formula. Circle ka radius is given as C, as you can see in the equation, and it is given length of the chord is root 2c. Okay. The equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. So let me write it here. X upon a plus y upon b minus 1 equals to. I hope you remember. I hope you remember why I wrote like this, right? So the distance d can be found out by using the perpendicular distance formula. I hope you know the perpendicular distance formula. What do we do? Center is 0, 0. So we substitute the point in the equation. So we'll get 0 plus 0 minus 1 upon under root of coefficients. X ka coefficient is 1 by a. So 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So basically we got d as 1 upon under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Okay. So this is d. What is r? R is given as c. Now we can use Pythagoras in this triangle, right angle triangle, as you can see. So if I use Pythagoras, I'll get radius ka square, which is basically c square, is equals to d square plus am square. Now please remember, if we got am, we can get ab, right? Because ab is 2am. I hope you remember bachpan ka formula. Perpendicular drop from center to the chord bisects the chord. So c square minus d square. What will be d square? It will be 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square will be equals to am square. Yeah, I think we need more space. So let me let's we'll introduce a new slide here. Yeah. So we got am square. Now we can take LCM, I think, here, right? Should we take LCM? Yeah. So we'll get am square is equal to c square minus, I think we'll get a square b square upon a square plus b square. So what will be am, guys? I am using it here only. If I take under root on both the sides, am will become under root of this. Yeah, under root of this. Correct. So AB is 2am. So again, AB will be equals to 2 times am, which is under root of c square minus a square b square upon a square plus b square, and which is given as root 2 c. So if I square on both the sides, please, if I square on both the sides, I'll get 4 into c square minus a square b square upon a square plus b square is equals to 2c square. So we can cancel out here. We'll multiply it. So 2c square, and c square will come this side. So we'll get c square is equals to a square b square upon a square plus b square. Or you can write it as 1 upon c square is equals to 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square. What does this mean, guys? That means A square, B square, C square are in HP. I think it is option 4, right? Because middle term is C square is equals to reciprocal of sum of first and third. So the first term, the third term, and the middle term. So I think answer is option 4. Is it clear, guys? Give me a thumbs up. You can see once more the question, or we can move forward, right? Come on, Anjana and Harshili. Is it clear? Give me a thumbs up. Hello, are you guys there? Explain once again. Which part, dear? Which part? The calculation part. Calculation part should I explain? Or the concept you didn't understood? Concept. Oh, concept is very simple, beta. See, we have been given the length of chord. So we have to find length of AB. Now, think reverse, like reverse psychology. Not exactly reverse psychology. We'll think the question in from required, right? So we need AB. Now, if we can get AM, we can get AB. So how we can get AM? We can get AM by Pythagoras theorem. So for Pythagoras theorem, we require the value of radius and the value of D. Simple. Again, let me repeat it. To get AB, we need AM. And for AM, we'll use Pythagoras theorem. So we need the value of R and D. See the equation of circle? Radius is C. Very simple. So we got radius C. And D is the perpendicular distance of the point 0, comma 0. Just a second. D is perpendicular distance of point 0, comma 0 from the line. So we use the perpendicular distance formula. We got the value of D. We used the Pythagoras theorem here. This is the Pythagoras theorem. We got the value of AM. Therefore, then we got the value of AB, and it was given that value of AB is root 2C. Then we just simplified. Correct? All good? Okay. Let's see the next question. It is again now, I already told you these are our previous JEE mains. Mains, not advanced. Okay. So let's see. The equation of circle touching the circle at 2, comma minus 3. Okay. So I've already drawn the diagram again. So this is the given circle with center at C1 0, comma 0. Now, and this is a required circle C2, which is touching the circle at point P. Point P is given 2, comma minus 3. Right? We require the equation of this circle with center C2. So we have already been given radius is 30. So we require the center, right? Now, just a second. This circle's radius is also root 13. See, x square plus y square equals to 30. So ये circle का radius is also root 13. That means P is the midpoint of C1 and C2. So if P is the midpoint of C1 and C2, we can use midpoint formula. Let C2 be H, comma K. So let's use the midpoint formula. We'll get 0 plus H upon 2 is equals to 2, right? And 0 minus 3 upon 2 is equals to, 0 plus K upon 2 is equals to minus 3. So that means h is 4 and k is minus 6. That means center is 4 comma minus 6. Simple. And radius is root 13. So we can easily use the center radius form. Let us use it. So we'll get x minus 4 the whole square plus y plus 6 the whole square is equals to 13. So I'll directly write the answer. I think we'll get x square plus y square minus 8x plus uh, 12y plus 16 plus 36. So I think plus 39 equals to 0. That means it is option 39. Yeah, B, second one. Did you all got it? Yes or no, guys? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, super. Chalo. So such simple questions are also asked in JEE Mains, especially in JEE Mains. You can expect these kinds of questions, right? These questions are very famous, like relation between two circles. Wala. Let's see the. Achha, we have the next question. Chalo. If the line touches the circle, what is meant by touches? It is tangent, right, guys? It is tangent. So if the line is tangent to the circle, that means it should satisfy the condition for tangency. Implies condition for tangency, right? What was condition for tangency, guys? It was c square is equals to r square into 1 plus m square, where the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equals to r square, and the equation of line is y is equals to mx plus c. That means c is the y-intercept. Chalo. So we need y-intercept of line, and we need radius, and we need slope of line, right? So let us find what is the radius, guys. Radius is equals to a. See this line, what is the slope? Slope is minus h by k. Y-intercept. What is y-intercept? For y-intercept, we put x equals to 0. So I think we'll get y-intercept. If we put x equals to 0, this will get cancelled. I think y-intercept is c, which is 1 by k. Now substitute all these values here, right? So what will we get, guys? C square. So 1 by k square is equals to r square, which is a square into 1 plus h square by k square. So if we take LCM, I think we'll get 1 is equals to a square into h square plus k square. So I think a square into what is h, x square plus y square is equals to 1. This is the equation of locus, which is option number 3. Correct, guys? All clear? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up. Super. Chalo. Let's see the next. Okay, should I give you all some time? I think this question you should try, right? I'll give you 2 minutes. Chalo, 2 minutes are, I think, more than enough for this question. Come on, your time starts now. It is 4:40. Around 4:42, you should be over with. Chalo, let's see. Come on. Did you all get the answer? Let's see. I think I'll also start solving. So, we have to find length of intercept by normal. What does this mean? This means get the x-intercept and y-intercept. This clearly means get x-intercept and y-intercept of the normal. So, to get x-intercept and y-intercept, we need equation of normal. See, this is the reverse thinking I'm talking about. Start from required. So, let me write it here. It will be easy. So, get x and y-intercept implies get equation of normal. This is a reverse thinking, means first we need to find equation of normal and then we need to find x-intercept and y. So this is the first, this is the second. Let's find equation of normal. We know that normal always passes through the center. The center of the circle is 2, 3. And normal is made at the point P, which is 1, 1. The equation of normal is very simple, guys. Let me rub this. Equation of normal is very simple. How to get equation of normal? We use slope point form. What is the slope? Slope is 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, which is 2. So we'll use the slope point form. Y minus, I'm using P as a point. Y1 is equals to M x minus x1. So y minus 1 is equals to 2x minus 2. So 2x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. Now we have to find x-intercept and y-intercept. What is x-intercept? Put y equals to 0. I think we'll get half. What is y-intercept? Put x equal to 0. I think we'll get minus 1. So that means x-intercept is half. What does this mean? The coordinate of the point will be half, 0. Y-intercept is 1. What does this mean? The coordinate of the point is 0, minus 1. Now we have to find length of intercept. So length of intercept means length of AB. Let me draw a diagram here. So let's say this is the normal, right? This is point A, this is point B. We have to find the length of intercept between the coordinate x. That means length of AB. Simply we can use distance formula. So I think we'll get half minus 0 the whole square plus 0 plus 1 the whole square, which is root 5 by 2. This is my answer. I think it is option 3. I hope you got the same answer. Or is it correct, the explanation? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, super. Harshili, what about you? Yeah, chalo. Did you all solve it? Or bus you were waiting ki haan, sir will solve it, we'll see. We'll just give thumbs up. Chalo, let's see the last question for the day. And it is a good question, and then we'll wrap it up. Chalo. If theta is the angle between the tangents from 0, 0. Obviously, I once again help you to draw the diagram. This is 0, 0. Two tangents are drawn. This is the circle. Let this be the center. What is the center? Minus 4 to 7, minus 1 is the center, right? Yeah. We have to find sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2, right? So, first, in such questions, we join the line or segment OC. Now, if we join the OC, please remember this will bisect it. That means this angle will be theta by 2 and this angle will also be theta by 2. Next thing, we join C with any one of the point of tangency. Let this be point P. This is perpendicular and this is the radius. OP is the length of tangent. What is length of tangent? Root S1. Correct, guys? We want sine theta by 2, cos theta by 2. So, you can see the OPC is a right angle triangle. Now, in a right angle triangle, we want sine theta by 2. So simple, guys. Sine theta by 2. This is the angle theta by 2, right? Sine theta by 2 will be opposite, which is radius upon hypotenuse, and cos theta by 2 will be adjacent. I think I think we made mistake, right? Hypotenuse is OC. Sorry, hypotenuse is OC, right? Na? Yeah, cos theta by 2 is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So let's find all these values and substitute it. What is the value of R? Radius is under root of G square plus F square. So 49 plus 1 minus 25, which is I think 5. What is root S1, guys? Root S1 का मतलब क्या है? Substitute the point. Here the point is 0, 0 in the equation. So I think we'll get root 25 only, which is again 5. What is OC? For OC, use distance formula. So if we use distance formula, we'll get 7 minus 0 the whole square plus 1 square. So root 50. I can write root 50 as pi root 2. Correct, guys? Let us just substitute these values. Then sine theta will be equals to, sine theta by 2 was R by OC, means 5 upon 5 root 2. So I think it will be 1 by root 2. Similarly, cos theta by 2 will be root S1 upon OC. So 5 upon 5 root 2 again. So again we got 1 by root 2. So if we add these, sine theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2, implies we'll get 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, which is 2 by root 2, which is root 2. So simple is our answer, option number 4. Now, did you all get it? Yes or no? Okay, super, Varshili. So yeah, we are done with the chapter, and from the next lecture we'll be starting with parabola. Continuing with the coordinate geometry section. I hope you understood it. If you have any doubt in the circle chapter, you can ask me in the next lecture, or if you have doubt just now, you can ask me in this lecture. And I think tomorrow we'll be starting with conics. So till then, bye bye guys, everyone. Take care.